Guys, you made it to day 2 of our 5-day, 5-minute challenge. Well done. Penny, how are they doing? Incredible. All right, guys, today we are doing a plank challenge. And by the way, I just want to also let you know, save the 12th of September, 2020. Put it in your diaries right now, all the information in the link below. All right, Penny, let's get started. Okay, so we're going to do a plank challenge today. Alfie, very good that you are joining us as well. Penny, well done. All right, we're going to get 5 minutes on the clock. We're going to come down, first of all, into a nice high plank. So you're going to put those hands directly underneath your shoulders and then pull that core in nice and tight. So take a nice big breath in. Inhale through your nose. Exhale everything out. Oh yes, we are literally going to do 5 minutes of planks. Guys, we're going to do a whole great variation. You are going to make it happen. If you're already thinking, I don't know how this is going to happen, I don't know how I'm going to do it, trust me, we are going to find a way. We're going to find that grit inside of you. If you haven't already got your copy of my new book, It Takes Grit, boom, it's going to completely, radically change your life. Give you the grit that you need, that when you have those dips, you know what, you just keep coming back stronger. All right, we're going to take it forwards and backwards. So push down into those fingertips. Thank you, Penny. I'm just going to adjust right here. So push your heels, all right, into the back, because if you're pushing your heels down into the back, you're also stretching out those legs as well. Now push down into the ground and lift up through the chest. Nice straight line from your head to your shoulders, all the way through to your booty and heels. Here we go. All right, come back to a still position. You're going to twist from one side, and you're going to lift right here. Modified version, you can come down onto your knee, but lift all the way up, and then come over to the other side. Oh, great, you guys are sharing a bed now. Okay, fantastic. And guys, the event on the 12th of September, you're gonna see Alfie and Penny in their full glory, so do not miss it. You can get tickets right now, just put it in the link below, boom, and you can join us for this incredible event that we have got going on. It's like nothing you've seen before. All right, push down into the ground. Now come over to one side and just give me a couple of dips. That's it, so push those hips up to the sky, little tiny dip, elbow up for 3, 2, 1, that's it. Let's take it over to the other side. Guys, we've already done 90 seconds. That's unbelievable. It went so fast, and you are going to be able to complete this. I just know it. 3, 2, 1, come back all the way to the center. Now you're going to take it down into a low plank. Now hold your hands together, and you're just going to hold right here. So lift that chest up a little bit more. Take a nice inhale through your nose and exhale out. This time you're going to take it down from side to side. So hip dips, that's it, nice and slow and controlled. Doesn't need to be fast. Again, thinking about that nice line. Have you got the line from your head to your hips all the way through to your heels? Nice work, everybody. Come all the way down. And nice and smooth. Now come back to the center. Hold that plank right here and take it forwards and backwards. Oh yes, working the upper body. The core is on fire. Now let's keep it up. That's it, pull the belly button in towards your spine and breathe through it. Inhale through your nose and exhale out. We are already halfway. Okay, come to a half position for me right here. Bend your knees and then straighten them again. That's it. So slight bend in the knee and extend. Pull that core in nice and tight. Belly button in towards your spine and then just putting those knees down onto the mat and then extending all the way through. You can do this. Keep imagining what it is that your body is going to look like when you've got through this, when you've done the challenge, all right? Your mindset is going to elevate up. Here we go. Last one and hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going to come into a side plank. So just hold right here. Elbow is directly underneath your shoulder. Lift up through this hip right here and hold this side plank. Lift that arm up to the sky and let's extend that top leg. That's it. You've got this. Keep it going. Pull in, nice and breathe. Come on, don't hold your breath. When you hold your breath, oh my goodness, that is the worst thing that happens. You're gonna stand up and be dizzy. Let's go for 3, 2, 1. Take it over to the other side. Same thing again. Elbow directly underneath your shoulder. Hips are on top of each other. Hold that position right here. Now extend that arm up to the sky. Bring that top leg and lift it up and give me a couple of pulses. If you need to, drop down to your knees after you've done 2 more. Here we go for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come all the way back to the center, back into that high plank for me. That's it, lift all the way up, push down into those fingertips. Guys, we have got a minute left to go. You're gonna extend one arm straight out in front, change it over to the other side. Nice and strong and controlled. Here we go, look down at the mat as if it's giving you a reflection saying you've got this. Keep pushing forward. I know it's burning. I know this is where it's really starting to kick in, but we wanna keep on pushing forward. Lift up, inhale through your nose, and exhale out. Okay, come back here. You're gonna bend your knees and straighten them again. That's it. Now lean slightly forward. All the pressure in the top part of our body. We've got less then 40 seconds to go. Just keep going. Every single rep is gonna count right now. We have got this together. Inhale through your nose, exhale out. And we're gonna take it back into that side plank. Hold, and then take it over to the other side. Guys, 20 seconds left to go. You can do this. We got it. Inhale through your nose, exhale everything out. Come back into a low plank. Hands nice and wide this time, and forwards and backwards for the last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Oh my goodness, shake out your arms. Guys, you did such a great job, and we are just on day 2 of the challenge. Make sure that you join me tomorrow, add in day number 3 with Alfie, Penny, and I. See you guys next time. Bye. And here we go, little pulses, just up and down. Now, all you've got to think about is, hey, for 5 minutes you can do anything. How many times have you been on your phone and you're like, 5 minutes has just gone past?